Hello everyone! Welcome back to our final episode of the Kitchen and Cooking Vocabulary series. We've learned so many useful words and phrases about food, cooking, and everything you find in the kitchen. And today, we're wrapping it all up with some new expressions you can use every day while cooking or talking about food. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. Introduction. In this final video, we'll explore the essential vocabulary you need for cooking and baking, focusing on kitchen tools and techniques. By the end of this lesson, you'll have all the words you need to talk confidently about cooking in English. Don't forget to watch the previous parts if you missed them. Scald. To heat milk or liquid until just below boiling. Mandolin slicer, a tool for slicing vegetables evenly. Cleaver, a large knife used to chop meat and bones. Toss. To mix food lightly, often in a salad. Drizzle. To pour a thin stream of liquid over food. Pipe. To squeeze frosting or cream through a bag to decorate. Rise. Window expands from yeast or baking powder. Parchment paper. Non-stick baking paper. Cooling rack. A wire rack to cool baked goods. Salt and pepper shaker set. Small containers with small holes on top, used to sprinkle salt or pepper onto food. Mezzaluna, or herb chopper, a curved knife with one or two handles, shaped like half moon, used for chopping herbs and vegetables by rocking it back and forth. Great job, everyone! You've made it to the end of the Kitchen and Cooking Vocabulary series. Now you can talk about cooking like a pro, so thank you. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English learning videos. And tell me in the comments below which kitchen word or phrase was your favorite. See you in the next series. Bye for now.